Hi, this is Lorna Sullivan, and this is a tutorial to how to make the Tibetan Wheel Jig. And right now I'm checking to see that it's positioned properly and that my nose is on the little eye in the center. And you can move your head in no matter which direction. Your eyes will always be positioned properly. I always found that if I was standing at a door, I would tend to shift my body, and I was always out of alignment. In this way, I'm not. And you can look up and in all the directions. It was really easy to make. All it is the piece of paper with the Tibetan wheel on it, and that's attached to a piece of paper that I've looped. And there's the Tibetan wheel. And I have little stickers on it to add some interest. And there's a hairband put through the loop, and that's the piece of paper that's bent over and taped, and that's taped to a piece of card that makes it long enough to sit on top of the head. And the piece of paper is attached to the Tibetan wheel piece of paper. And you can see that when I put it on. And simply by adjusting the hairband or the piece of paper, because you can actually move that, and I can move, take this anywhere I want and use it. And I keep it at my desk, and I can put it on every time I sit at my desk to use it, 3 or 4 times a day.